This is a beginner's guide to a few of essential tools you need when it comes to drafting a pattern or making a very beautiful garment. So I have here my French curves, a few of them. This is not a complete set. These are just a few. It's essential that you have them. I have a ruler in it that I use to draw my straight lines. And then I have my curves. This I use normally to draft my back neckline, and then this for my armhole or my front neckline as well. Then I have this that can aid in when you need to draw a 90-degree curve or 45 degrees or whatever degrees you need to work with. This tool is also very essential. Then I have here also marker and then my pencil. So I normally use, when you are drafting a pattern, it is advisable to use a pencil. So take a look at this. So when you draw with a pencil, it doesn't add too much to your measurement. And I have here my marker. This is a whiteboard marker. Assuming I'm going to be drafting with a marker, the disadvantage with drawing with a marker is that it adds, this line is thin and this one is thick. So it adds a bit to your measurement. So if you are going to be drawing with a marker, it's important that when you are going to cut out your pattern, you cut in between the mark so that you do not add too much to your measurement. You can also draft with this chalk. This is my Vanishing chalk. I love to use them a lot. So this is how the chalk looks like. The chalk is also such that you can use it to draft, like I said, and then it doesn't add too much. This is not like the ordinary chalk. It doesn't add too much to your measurement. And also the advantage with using the Vanishing chalk is that once you apply steam on your fabric, it will just vanish. The mark will just vanish. So that is why it's called a Vanishing chalk. So these are essential tools. You can get this in the market, in the store. And then the next tool I have are my scissors. Normally it's important to have a scissors that is dedicated to cutting out paper, and one that you use specifically for fabrics. So you have to mark the two, probably label them so that you do not interchange them. The advantage with using one scissors for drafting in particular is that it doesn't make your scissors blunt. So the next tool I have here is my eraser. So when I draft on a paper and I do not like what I have, or I made a mistake, it is easy to just wrap with an eraser. Then for this tool here, I use this to loosen out. So I have a dress here. If I want to loosen out this thread, I use this tool this way to just loosen out the thread instead of using a blade. So it's essential that you have this as a beginner so that you do not ruin your stitches. And another essential tool you need is your tape measure. So this is my tape measure. This is up to about 60 inches here. So you need it to be able to take accurate body measurements and to use in drafting your pattern on paper or on fabric. So an important thing about the tape measure is that whatever tape measure you use in taking the measurement of your client or your mannequin should be the same tape measure you use in drafting your pattern. This is to ensure that your measurements are accurate. So this is it. These are essentially the basic tools for pattern drafting. This is not exhaustive. It's not an exhaustive list, but for a beginner's guide, these are the tools that you will need. Thank you so much for watching this video. And hey, I almost forgot. I have my pin cushion here. This I use to store my pins and then my needles. It's easy for me to access them anytime I need them so that my pins are not scattered around. So get one if you don't have one. You can get them from the store or you can make one yourself. So thank you so much for making time to watch this video. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.